what's up, guys? It's T.
A2 vlogs.
And today it is super cold out. This is our fourth vlog.
With our special guest, A2. Say hello. Hi.
So today, what are we doing?
I don't know. We're making a vlog that we're just gonna do some random shit.
We're just doing a vlog. Ready? Freeze frame jump. 3, 2, 1, go.
What?
Where's
them?
What do you know?
Who's Justine?
Did he go in the tree?
He wants to catch teleport. Let's go check it out. Yeah. Whoa! Here I am! Wow! Where were you?
Dude, I don't even know. I just
What took
came out
you
of
so
nowhere.
long? You made me really sick.
Alright, so we actually have nothing to do, and I'm always the cameraman, and I don't know why. Yeah, thanks.
Support the wall. Who do you guys think are gonna win? Or is gonna win the Super Bowl? Or who did you want to win if it's after the Super Bowl when you watch this? Okay, we're gonna do a vote. I want Falcons. Who do you want?
I want Falcons.
Falcons.
And
We
the
all want
Patriots
Falcons,
are gonna.
but because none of us like the Patriots, so if you can guess what our team is,
We just said it.
then you can guess, or you win.
What are you talking about? You can guess our team. We just said who we want.
No? Yeah. No, guess our team.
Alright,
Like, what
time
our home
out.
team is.
Oh, time out. We just gotta teach Andrew a little lesson on recording. When you're recording, you don't just record yourself the whole time. You record other people. Okay.
Well, you guys.
Here
were
you
too
go.
far away.
Here you go.
She waved to us. She didn't even freaking. Oh my god. Time to get over my shoulder.
No license plate.
I'm not gonna throw you. What license plate?
There was just a random cut there because.
This is recording.
Because you're the smallest.
Get up. So, if you guys missed that, well, you did.
Get over here.
A2 is trying to take down T. So, yeah.
Can I do the 1-inch hit on you?
No.
No, I already know what it does.
Where's T and I go? They're getting away. No, they are. Take it
Ooh, good one, guys.
You guys probably can't even see us. It's so dark.
Yeah, you definitely can't see my bright orange.
I sound like a dolphin.
Yo, we're going on the beach.
Yeah.
Wanna go on the beach?
I want shorts.
I hurt my gonads.
Look at that, dude, you're a leg model. Are those Timberlands?
Don't show them. We'll get copyrighted.
So we can't show any of our shoes or clothing.
Yeah, we just have to show our skin. This is my hand.
I'm not wearing a Car, we gotta do
Yo,
things.
we
Let's
should
get into the light.
The dinghy!
Right here, guys.
Wait, what are you doing?
I like this.
We're doing the.
Oh,
Okay, what I'm doing?
We're doing the thingy.
Okay, guys. Whenever we see a cop, that's what we do.
We're
okay,
accomplished
let's
for
do that
life.
for an hour. Hour of footage.
Alright, ready? Wait, we gotta move. Alright, let's go back to what we were originally doing.
I tackled T.
Wrong side. You guys have to switch. Ah. Oh.
Alright,
Ow.
guys.
Hey. Aaron, look.
Alright,
the
guys,
board
so that's it for this
over.
vlog. And today, that was our vlog. And the vlog was nice. Get out of here. The vlog was nice. And the vlog was nice. And we're going to end it here. So, bye.
Like and subscribe.
It's too cold out.